Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to create a simple JavaScript-based counter program. So, let's get started. First of all, open up your HTML document. We need a label along with 3 buttons. The label serves as the display for our count, and the buttons will let us increase, decrease, or reset that count. For the label, simply take the pair of label tags. We'll give this label an ID of text label. The text within the label will start at 0, setting the initial count value. As for the buttons, we'll need 3 of them. The first button will be given an ID of decrease button, and its label will read decrease. Feel free to copy and paste this button to create 2 more for reset and increase. The second button will be our reset button, and the third will be for increase. Save your HTML document, and you'll see a 0 along with the 3 buttons. Create a new file named style.css. Now, link this CSS file with the HTML. In the head section, take a link tag and set the ref attribute to the name of your style sheet, which is style.css. Open CSS file and use the ID text label. Apply some properties. Setting display to block to ensure it's displayed as a block element. Use text align to center the text within the label. Increasing the font size to 50 pixels. Once you've made these CSS adjustments, remember to save your style sheet and your HTML file. Now, it's time to move on to your JavaScript file. In JavaScript, we'll start by declaring and assigning a count variable and initializing it to 0. Next, we'll establish click event listeners for our 3 buttons, decrease, reset, and increase. We'll use document.to get element by ID for this purpose. Pass the decrease button ID here. When the decrease button is clicked, the following function will execute. This function will decrement the count variable by 1. And update the inner HTML of the text label to display the current count value. Now, take this code and duplicate it 2 more times. The next code is for the reset button. When you press this button, it sets the count variable to 0. Finally, for the increment button, increase the count variable by 1 each time it's clicked. Finally, save your JavaScript file, and you're all set. Clicking these buttons will now perform the actions we've just described. That wraps up our simple counter program in JavaScript. If you want to access the code for this program, you can find it in the comments section below the video. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.